It's a big software development company offering different softwares, not only Revit. They're offering AutoCAD, they're offering 3D Max, and number of softwares. And this Revit MEP is a product from Autodesk, and it's a software work on the BIM concept. And here also a lot of people have confusion. Many people think that Revit is a BIM, but you see, the point is when you search for the BIM, you will get Revit, because in market, if you compare with the other software which works on BIM concept, in the list you'll find Revit on the top. So if you're searching for BIM, you'll get Revit, but it not mean that Revit and BIM both are same. Revit is a software from Autodesk, works on the BIM concept, or I can say Revit software which is from Autodesk try to achieve the BIM concept. So BIM is a concept. It's a big concept right from the starting stage of the project till the demolish, not only for services, for the building, for structural, for architectural, and including all the services. So BIM is a big concept. So what is BIM? We'll discuss in the next session. This is just an introduction session. I'm going to give the idea about the syllabus. But remember, Revit and BIM both are not same. Revit is a software from Autodesk, works on the BIM concept. And BIM means I'm talking about building information modeling. The more about the BIM, I'll give you in the next session. This is just a introduction session. So here I'll give you what you're going to learn in this training program. So let me share the screen. I believe the screen is visible. So here on screen, you can read the title of the course. It's a Revit MEP, including project and the training files. Because learning Revit with the project is mandatory, because this is not like AutoCAD simply learning the tools. Because in Revit, you must follow the sequence. So learning Revit with project is required. So you'll get the project in this training program, the step-by-step notes, and the notes is again as per the project requirement, including the project files. Okay, so you'll get the two projects. One is a school project for all the services, and one more additional project specifically for HVAC load calculation. Okay, because in load calculation, compare with the previous version 2021, and if you compare this 2021 version with the latest version till 2024, you'll find the major difference in the load calculation. So that's the reason I'm offering additional villa project for the load calculation, so that I can compare the difference between 2021 version and 2023 or 24 version. Okay. So I'll get two projects. So school project till the end for all the services, and villa project is only for the load calculation. And the core standards you can find on the screen. This anyhow, this Revit software is from Autodesk and works on the BIM concept. So you can read here Autodesk as well as this BIM concept. And I divide this training into 10 sections, or I can say 10 modules or 10 parts.